All right, it's been a couple of days. The tiller is exactly where I left it. It was raining hardcore yesterday. It's rather cold, so it'll probably be a lot softer today. I should be able to get a lot done. I'll probably shoot some video in between. It's my son's birthday, so I'm not expecting him to come out here and help me too much if he don't want to. But yeah, I think the ground would be a lot softer. It should chew right through it. I won't have to switch the blades around. I was thinking the blades might be backwards, and that might have been why it was having trouble. But I don't know. I'm gonna try it again and see how it goes. And if it has trouble, I'm gonna switch the blades around how they're supposed to be, and it'll actually be a wider stance, so get more done, right? Let's see what happens. See if she starts up again. Yeah, it's getting on down in there. It's working. Got it all the way down to here. I ran it back. I'm gonna run it down one more time, and I might go ahead and widen this. I might do it on this side too. No, actually I'm just gonna keep one pass there. I'm going to do one on the other side, and I'm going to do two in the front. But, well, she's running good. It's not smoking anymore or anything. It's a beast to handle, I'll tell you that. Gotta put your... I kind of wish I had a little bit more body weight now. I missed that 20 pounds, man. That shit would have helped right now. But yeah, it's running good. This little thing's a beast, dude, and it's running good, running like a top. I'm just about done. I'm probably gonna go through them a few more times, but got this one more patch I'm trying to break through now. This grass and shit was thick as fuck. It did the rain did help a little bit, but not a whole lot. I got this one done. I'll probably go back over it a couple more times. Huh. I need to turn that throttle up a little bit. And this one was done several times, but I'm running this to connect to the front. The front's pretty much done. I'm gonna run through it again. The hard part's just breaking through the topsoil and all the roots and shit of this grass. Then it's just a lot easier, much easier. I'm not having to hold the machine back, but she's running good. All right, it's coming together. Got it all tilled up. I'm setting my posts for my chicken wire. I'm gonna need a couple more posts, I think. Probably 2 or 3. 4 more posts, it looks like. And probably another 20 or 30 feet in chicken wire. I don't think I got enough for sure. So, oh, I'm gonna need some more zip ties too. And I'm gonna go get some full head catfish. At least some catfish heads or some full fish with heads attached. And I'm gonna bury them underneath the plants. So that's what I'm about to go do now. I need to get some more supplies. Get the fencing up so the dog won't pee on my plants. And yeah, get some fish. I want to bury some fish underneath there. And that's about it. We'll be throwing seeds out hopefully this afternoon. Alright, got my helper out here. Just got through tidying up the fence line. I ended up going with some plastic fencing because it was a lot cheaper and a lot longer of a roll. These were 25-foot rolls for $12 versus $15 for 10 feet for the old chicken wire. So, fuck it. That's what we went with, right? That's what we went with, right? So anyway, this is the veggie garden, and I might do some watermelon in between the strains over there too. But this will be for veggies, watermelon mainly, and different types of peppers that we're going to try to grow. And then this will be the cannabis plot. I'm doing just one L shape basically. And I know I'm an incredible fencer, but I won't be taking any quotes to do fencing for anybody. This is just for my purposes. I know it's nice though, ain't it? Good job. Excellent fencing work. But it'll do. I need a couple more posts just to stiffen her up a little bit. Just a couple more posts, about 3 or 4 more. But it's done. I think we'll be planting seeds tomorrow. What are you saying? What are you talking about? All right.